Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the secondary growth in root and stem, second part. It is study material for class 4th semester. In previous lecture we have studied about the secondary growth, how vascular cambium is formed and how secondary tissue is formed, and due to activity of vascular cambium there is a formation of cork cambium, cork cell, pallidum, which collectively called pallidum, and secondary tissue is formed. During this secondary growth, which occur during spring and summer season, two types of wood is produced. That is called spring wood, or you can say second is autumn wood. During spring season, when xylem elements are formed, they are larger, thin-walled, lighter in color. And in case when secondary growth occurs in winter season, then xylem elements which are formed in winter season and autumn season, they form in firstly in less amount and produce smaller in size. They are thick walled and dark in color. So these woods are called spring woods and autumn woods. And spring wood and autumn wood collectively called as annual rings. These are called annual rings. These are the marcation of that there is a secondary growth in spring season and autumn season. So when there is a annual rings are formed, so by counting these annual rings we can count the age of the plant, that how much secondary growth was there, how age is plant. This determination of age of a tree by counting the annual rings is called dendrochronology. That is called dendrochronology. Through studying by counting the annual rings we can determine the age of the tree. When secondary growth is there, then two types of wood is formed. We can see in the diagram here, one is the sapwood and another is the hardwood. Sapwood is called alburnum, which is the outer part of the wood, and it is pale in color. It is light in color, pale in color. And hardwood is the central part of the wood. It is dark in color and it is called duramen. Sapwood is basically useful for conduction of water, and for economic point of view, hardwood is important, which is more durable than the sapwood, and it is used as a timber and is more durable than sapwood for microorganism attack and insect attack. So we have studied here what is annual rings, what is sapwood, what is hardwood. In the similar way, secondary growth is secondary growth is also common in roots, and secondary growth is common in dicot stem. Exceptionally in monocots secondary growth is there. So in next lecture we will discuss about the anomalous growth. Thank you.